Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about everything bride proposal, from what they are to how to build the actual box. So let's hop right in and let's get started. Alright guys, so what is a bride proposal? Traditionally, brides just ask their important people face to face, just a simple, will you be my XYZ bridesmaid, maid of honor, whatever they feel is appropriate. But in all things trendy, as I'm sure that you guys have been seeing all over Instagram and TikTok and really anything social, it's now becoming really big for brides and grooms alike to get in on the surprise or proposal and ask those people who are really closest to them to stand up and celebrate one of their major moments in life with them. Basically, it's the moment of you actually asking them to participate and be in your wedding party. Do your bride proposal boxes have to be expensive? It's not so much about the price, it's more so about the sentimental aspect and the effort that you put into it. I got some of the items I use from the Dollar Tree and they're really very affordable. I was realized the wine glasses and they look super high end, but in reality they only actually cost me $1. When to send out bride proposals? So I would recommend sending them out about 2 to 3 months after your engagement. Take that first month to really be excited, tell all your friends, tell all your family you're excited you're getting engaged. But after that moment, it's really time for you to start thinking about who you would like to stand next to you and celebrate. When you need things throughout the planning process, who that person is that you're going to call, who's your support system that you're going to be leaning on, and really just trying to think about who those people are going to be. What should you include in your bridesmaid box? So first off, we're going to start with something personal. These are your closest friends, your family, the people who have contributed to who you are as a person. So definitely go ahead and just write them a handmade note, just expressing how much you appreciate having them in your life and just to ask them to stand by your side on your big day. A great element to include is something personalized and not just something that has you and your partner's name and your wedding date, something that is unique to them and has their name that can be used. Another great item to include in your bride boxes is something that can actually be used on the day of, whether that be bags to say bride squad or just something to help each of the ladies get through the day, just help make their day a little bit easier. It's also important to include a role and responsibilities card within the bride proposal, just because you don't want to overload them with responsibilities or expenses that they're not necessarily prepared for. So it's appreciated if you just type up things that are expected of them, just to make sure everybody is on the same page and avoid any confusion later down the line. I would suggest trying to go out of your way to either develop a theme or think about things that you and your friends like to do together, that you guys like to celebrate. If you like to get together for wine nights, you guys can include some cute wine glasses. If you do a book club, you can include your favorite book that you've read together, photos, special memories, just something unique to you and your relationship. Or you guys could always choose a theme that you like an IG crew or bride squad or whatever feels right for you. It's just a formal way to ask, and everything within that box to kind of follow that theme or that guideline. It's just really about finding something that represents who you are and your individual personality, but also keeps your friends in mind. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys how to build the box. Everything that I'm showing is going to be linked below in the description, so you guys can just click there to find out more info. But let's get started and let's see how they turn out.
Here's what's included in each box: a personalized wine glass, an emergency kit, eye mask, bride squad tote, and a personalized t-shirt. Once I was satisfied with the design, I set my Cricut to cut. Once my Cricut was finished, I cut the vinyl sheet into sections, beginning with the names of the wedding party. Then I removed the excess vinyl and began reading them. I took a piece of transfer tape and started transferring the names onto all 5 wine glasses. Once I was done personalizing the wine glasses, I began working on the "Will You Be My" phrases for the inside of the boxes. There are 4 bridesmaids and 1 maid of honor, so after I cut out the phrases, I began to match them up. Then I used my transfer tape to begin putting them on the inside of the boxes. was done personalizing the boxes, I began filling them. I started by rolling up the largest item, which is the Bride Squad suit, and then I put the second largest item, which is the personalized t-shirt, in the box. Using the Bride Squad suit and the personalized t-shirt as a base, I set the wine glass on top and made sure it's secured enough as these are going to be mailed out. Then I put the mini emergency kit and the eye mask on top to complete the boxes. And this is the final result. They turned out very cute, also very affordable, so I'm really happy with the turnout.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.